Installing a DWC tray in the enclosure. Attention! For your safety, use a lift tool to install the tray into the rack. Caution! Protective gloves should be worn for this procedure. Push the foot pedal down to lock the wheel brakes on the rotate fixture cart. Push the tray into the angle brackets. Open the rotate fixture. Push the handle down. You might need to push quite hard. While holding the handle down, unlock the latches on the right and left sides of the fixture by turning them counterclockwise. Slowly lift the handle until it stands vertically. Attention! Make sure you hold the handle when opening the rotate fixture. Move the lift tool assembly next to the rotate fixture cart assembly as now shown. Adjust the lift tool so that the bottom of the lift tool fixture aligns with the bottom of the rotate fixture, and the sides of both fixtures are parallel to one another. Push the foot pedal down to lock the wheel brake on the lift tool. If the guide fence is not in the SW single width position, lift it and reinstall it in the SW slots. Slide the tray into the lift tool fixture until it is partially seated in the lift tool fixture. Slide the tray all the way into the lift tool fixture until the tray is completely seated in the lift tool fixture. Move the lift tool assembly to the front of the rack. Make sure the front of the fixture is facing the back of the tray. Adjust the lift tool so that the tray aligns with the tray bay in the enclosure. Hold the top and bottom parts of the tray and slide it into the tray bay. Place the tray into the enclosure. Open the DWC tray handles. Push the DWC tray into the enclosure until the tip of the tray handle touches the enclosure. Make sure there is no distance between the enclosure and the tip of the handle. Close the tray handles to secure the tray in the enclosure. Note: after the DWC tray has been installed, XCC in the DWC tray will initialize. This process takes approximately 110 seconds. The power LED will flash rapidly, and the power button on the DWC tray will not respond until the process is complete. Refer to the ThinkSystem SC750V4 Neptune Tray Hardware Maintenance Guide for more information.